Picture this. It's 6 a.m. You wake up, check your phone, and there's a cold, automated email. No warning, no call from your manager. Just, boom, your high-paying tech job of 5 years, gone. This isn't a bad dream. In 2026, this is the brutal reality for tens of thousands of American tech workers. In May 2026 alone, the U.S. saw over 97,000 job cuts, and nearly 40% of those were directly blamed on AI and automation. But here's the dirty little secret these tech CEOs aren't telling you. They aren't firing you because AI does your job better. They're firing you to fund a massive $700 billion AI infrastructure build-out. It's called Capex Reallocation. Your salary is literally paying for their new GPU chips. If you want the real story, look at what employees are whispering on Reddit. Over on the Amazon subreddit, a crazy real-world example leaked about AWS Bedrock's backend layer. An org of over 1,000 engineers used to manage it, but it was completely rewritten in just over a month by a tiny team of 9 people using AI. This proves that small AI-powered pods are absolutely destroying massive corporate structures. So who's actually getting the axe? It's not the entry-level grunt workers. And it sure isn't the executives. The people getting wiped out are the L3 to L5 mid-level managers and individual contributors. In tech, the golden rule used to be 8 engineers to 1 product manager. But with AI making coders ship 10 times faster, companies are slashing that ratio to 4 to 1, or even 1 to 1. Middle management is basically history. And the timing couldn't be worse. The U.S. economy is squeezing folks hard. The median monthly housing payment just hit a 1-year high of $2,647. Thanks to this insane financial pressure, 55% of Gen Z and 52% of millennials are straight up delaying huge life decisions, like getting married or buying a house. Look, the 2026 job market isn't a passing storm. It's a permanent structural shift. On Hacker News, one laid-off engineer put it perfectly. "I'm happy to use AI, but I can also do things by hand." Guys, today you have to prove that you can use AI to multiply your output. Less than BR, greater than less than BR, greater than let's talk in the comments. Where do you sit on your company's org chart? And has your department hired anyone new recently? We need the truth down there. Hit subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.